Hi, I'm Paul Weatherby. At one time I had a belt made out of watches. It was a waste of time. Hey! Oh boy, waste of time. Oh, well, here's a little trick I haven't done in a long time. I used to borrow a bill from someone. Since no one's here, I use one of my own bills. And this also gives me a chance to brag about my new wallet. That's right, the man who sold me this wallet told me that this was a dragon skin wallet. That's right. Whoa! A fire-breathing dragon. Oh boy. Alright, well, let me get a bill out here. Oh, a $5 bill. Well, that means the trick will be 5 times better than if I used a $1 bill. Alright. You know, American bills have cotton fibers in them. It's a type of linen. And the thing about it is, if you can take a bill, crumble it up, you can actually get a little bit of static electricity build up. Watch. The bill will actually stick right to your finger. Now watch carefully. It will actually float in the air without any visible means of support. Nothing above it, nothing below it, behind it, or in front of it. Right through. And the bill can be completely examined. Rock on and keep your magic strong.